Welcome to the Process Channel. Today, we're taking you inside the production line of the world's most advanced battle tank, the K2 Black Panther. To the Process Channel. Today, we're taking you inside the production line of the world's most advanced battle tank, the K2 Black Panther.
Welcome to the headquarters where the K2 Black Panther, one of the world's most advanced battle tanks, begins its life. Only authorized engineers and technicians enter this secure zone where confidential defense production takes place.
It begins with huge armor-grade steel and composite plates designed to resist extreme battlefield threats. Scanners ensure every armor plate meets exact specifications, down to fractions of a millimeter.
A powerful forging press shapes the K2's armor layers, forming the tank's nearly indestructible hull. CNC robots cut through advanced armor materials with extreme accuracy to match the tank's complex hull geometry. Set armor sections into custom-built jigs that ensure the hull takes its exact structural shape.
Robotic welding systems fuse the hull plates together, creating one of the strongest tank bodies ever engineered.
Expert welders manually verify every joint using thermal and ultrasonic tools to ensure battle-ready strength.
The K2's armor blends steel, composites, and ceramics in layered formations for advanced multi-threat protection.
A high-pressure system bonds multiple armor layers to create a lightweight yet exceptionally strong
Advanced
hull.
tests ensure the armor meets strict military standards for impact, heat, and ballistic resistance.
The newly forged hull is lifted and moved to the powertrain assembly line using massive precision cranes.
The audio is characterized by the sounds of an industrial setting. There is the persistent hum of large
Pressure
machinery.
readings on the lubrication system look optimal.
Confirmed. We are cleared for the next phase of testing.
Alignment holding steady at 99.8%.
Confirmed. Proceed with final descent.
The K2's unique in-arm suspension gives it unmatched mobility and stability, even at high speed.
Each ISU module is carefully attached, enabling the tank to adapt to rugged and steep terrain.
The tank's tracks are built to withstand extreme friction, weight, and battlefield punishment.
The turret's reinforced base is forged to withstand recoil forces from the powerful 120mm cannon. The K2's 120mm smoothbore cannon is crafted with extreme precision to ensure perfect ballistic accuracy.
The advanced autoloader allows the K2 to fire rounds faster and more reliably than many traditional tanks.
The turret receives high-tech electronics and stabilizers, enabling perfect aim even while moving.
Low descent, maintain current bearing.
Alignment confirmed. Green status.
Secure the turret. Well done.
Factory simulation complete. We have a confirmed lock.
Good. The thermal stabilization worked as expected.
Advanced optical and thermal sensors are calibrated to give the crew unmatched situational awareness, day
Secure
or night.
communication and battlefield networking modules are installed, enabling real-time data exchange with command units.
Alignment verified across all axes. Tolerances are holding steady.
Excellent. Let's lock it down.
Robotic precision ensures the shock dampening tiles are perfectly aligned, a critical step for the K2's survival.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance. Clear on this side, set her down. Slowly, just a few inches more. Watch the alignment.
Thermal calibration is complete. The signature is stable.
Confirmed. Power up the targeting array.
exceeding the projected thermal threshold.
We need to adjust the variables immediately or abort the test.
The K2 receives its battle-ready camouflage, combining aesthetics with thermal and radar signature reduction. The future of armored engineering. If you enjoyed this extreme factory tour, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Manufactory.